back again. This is the Jamaican Mixmaster at you with another epic drink. I know it's been a while, but you know, Mixmaster is very busy, working at the same time, doing video at the same time. What we're going to do today is another epic drink. Purple Rain. Alright guys, so stay tuned. We're going to go straight into it. Bam! So it's a blended drink. It's very refreshing, very nice, very tasty. So we're going to have blue curacao. We're going to use 1 full ounce blue. I think it's going to need 1.5 ounces because we're making a big glass. Alright, 1.5 ounces blue curacao. Some people call it curacao. And then we're going to have strawberry syrup. You could use grenadine, but in Jamaica we use syrup. One full ounce. Alright, so we're gonna add some lime juice. 1/2 ounce lime juice. Alright. And we're gonna add some ice, baby. Yeah, you know that song? Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Some people call it purple hooter. Some call it purple haze. Some call it purple rain. I guess with the haze it has rum in it. But this is gonna be with a vodka top off. So remember that, guys. Blue curacao, syrup, strawberry, grenadine, as well as where you want to put it, with some lime juice. And I'm going to blend it. It comes out like a light purple, but what I'm going to do is just add to the bottom of the glass like this. Yeah. Remember, Purple Rain. I guess it was invented by Prince, I guess. You know the song Purple Rain, Purple Rain. This is not a game. This is a drinks mix by Mixmaster. Remember, purple rain and purple rain. Well, the rain will start fall. Well, we need the rain. It's too hot. Wow. See that? Amazing. Amazing. Alright guys, so this is it. A purple rain, or some purple rain. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Stay to the display. We go. You know we don't play. No. Guys, so this is a good drinks, Purple Rain. I'm gonna have some of it. Remember the ingredients: blue curacao, strawberry syrup, or you could use grenadine, lime juice, Tito's vodka inside of it. Purple Rain, as you know what I'm saying, Texas vodka. Wow, refreshing and nice. Great drink. So more you drink, the more the vodka go down in it. Alright guys, so stay tuned for next week. we're coming out with another hot video. Alright guys, so peace out. Jamaican Mixmaster out. Take care.